this era of modernity, neither Gandhi's thoughts nor Gandhi's spinning wheel have changed. Only the dimensions of development have changed. There are many such pillars of development in the state built by the British government, which stand witness to the past. During the British rule, when even many cities did not have electricity, Dehradun and Mussoorie, the queen of mountains, were illuminated by the Galogi power plant.
क्या आप जानते हैं कि पहली बार उत्तर भारत में बिजली बनाने का काम कहां पर हुआ था? आज हम आपको ऐसे ही पावर प्रोजेक्ट की कहानी बताने जा रहे हैं जिसकी बिजली से पहली बार उत्तर भारत रोशन हुआ था।
This was the oldest power project in the country, which still supplies electricity to Dehradun and Mussoorie. The work on the project was started in Mussoorie in 1890. The British chose Mussoorie for the first time in India for power generation, and hence the Galogi powerhouse has a place in the history of the country. It has been 72 years since the country got independent.
18वीं शताब्दी के आखिरी में गलोगी पावर पॉइंट की स्थापना की गई, जहां पर इस वक्त हम मौजूद हैं और आज हम देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे तमाम जो अंग्रेजों के ज़माने के जो टर्बाइनें हैं वो आज भी लगी हुई हैं और 1906-7 में यहाँ पर बिजली बनना शुरू हुआ था और तब तक भारत देश में सिर्फ दिल्ली और मुंबई जैसे बड़े शहरों में बिजली हुआ करती थी। लेकिन उसके बाद 1906 में मसूरी में इस गलोगी पावर पॉइंट में इस पावर हाउस की स्थापना की गई और इसके बाद यहाँ पे बिजली बनाने का काम शुरू किया गया।
There are many areas in modern India where there is no electricity even today. The Galogi powerhouse in Mussoorie powered the development of the region even when the country was slave to the British. About 7.50 lakh rupees were spent on this hydropower project. Firstly, big generators and machinery were transported from the Garhidakara area of Doon Valley to Galogi by means of bullock carts. However, in view of the higher cost and greater time, the transportation was done by the Dehradun-Mussoorie motorway. This was a bullock cart route at that time. For the first time, rail reached Dehradun in 1900. This speeded up the project. Heavy machines and turbines which were imported from England and reached Mumbai by ship were transported to Dehradun. These machines were then transported by bullock carts and labourers to the Galogi hydroelectric powerhouse site, hundreds of feet below the hill. Finally, in 1907, water from 16-inch pipelines from small ponds at Kyarkuli and Bhatta started running giant turbine machines brought from England and started supplying electricity to homes in Mussoorie and Dehradun. The second power station of Galogi powerhouse was commissioned on 9 November 1912. By 1920, oil lamps were removed from most of the bungalows, hotels and schools in Mussoorie and were replaced by electric bulbs. Gradually, lander of Mussoorie and Dehradun got electrification. Mussoorie municipality was the owner of Galogi power plant for 70 years. Mussoorie municipality was once considered the richest civic body in Uttar Pradesh.
पहला म्यूनिसिपैलिटी थी इंडिया में जिसने अपना पावर हाउस बनाया, अपनी बिजली योजना बनाई और उससे बिजली प्रोड्यूस करके उसको कस्टमर्स को सेल किया।
Due to its income from electricity from Dehradun and Mussoorie cities. In 1976, the Uttar Pradesh Electricity Council acquired all the power ventures of the municipality, including the powerhouse. The hydropower plant has seen many ups and downs in the last 35 years. In the last decades, old technicians retired. They had the knowledge of how to repair and maintain century-old turbines and machinery of Galogi powerhouse. The original foreign machines installed in the powerhouse are of old technology and these are not being manufactured anymore. After the formation of the state, the Uttarakhand Jal Vidyut Nigam controls the power plant. There is a need to showcase the historic heritage power plant for the new generations to know its hoary past. The work of renovation, modernization and upgradation of the power plant is currently underway. This 113-year-old galactic power plant represents the glorious technological history of India's progress in the field of electricity.
To watch 24/7 News Live, download ETV Bharat app.